Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. I'm going to share to perform a factory reset. Don't forget, with a factory reset, you will lose all your information, your photos, videos, personal information, documents, and so on. And you basically do a factory reset if you just want a clean slate and you want to start everything back over, or maybe if you want to resell it, okay? So first thing is, let's go to settings here. On the main screen here, we can slide up, go to settings, and then from here, we're going to scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom here where it says About Phone. Now I'm going to cover my information here before I click on About Phone, okay? So tap on About Phone, and I'm covering my IMEI number, and that stuff, okay? So let me go ahead and scroll down here. So now if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you can see where it says Reset. So let's tap on Reset right there. And now we have some options here. Now on the very bottom it says Factory Data Reset, okay? So go ahead and tap on that. Now you can see what it's going to erase down here. Now one important thing is down here. It says you are currently signed into the following accounts, and my Gmail account is here. Now the thing is, if I proceed to do a factory reset with my Gmail on here, once I do the factory reset and I go back to the setup again, before the setup is complete, it's going to ask me what my Gmail email and my password that was synced to this phone, okay? So you have to remember that. If you're going to sell your phone, go ahead and go back into the app and delete your Gmail first, and then come back here and do the factory reset, and it's not going to ask you once you do the setup, so you can go ahead and sell it. And below that you can see the other things that are showing here as well, okay? And go all the way to the very bottom, it says reset here. So I'm going to go ahead and reset this. I'm going to tap on reset right there, put in my PIN or password, then I'm going to click on done right there. All your personal information, downloaded apps will be erased and cannot be recovered. If you want to proceed, tap on delete all. Okay, phone is shutting down. Now take note, I left my Gmail, I didn't delete it because I just want a clean slate. So once it's done with the factory reset and I go through the setup process, eventually it's going to ask me what my Gmail and password was that I had synced to this phone, okay? Oh, it just said the UI on there. Oh, vibrated. And it's going to be stuck on here for a little bit, so just be patient, about like 1 minute or so. Voila, we just factory reset it. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck guys.